favorite microphone on the market, which is the Shure MV7 microphone, the one you're listening to me on right now. And I want to talk about this one because this is my favorite. I actually just set a client up today with this microphone, and it's such a genius mic because it allows you to upgrade for the future. What do I mean by that? So this microphone is both XLR and USB at the same time. As you can see back here, see the silver cable here? That is an XLR cable. And the black cable down here is a USB cable. So I've actually got this microphone plugged into both my gaming computer over here, my desktop computer, and into my mixer at the exact same time. And so what this allows you to do is it allows you to basically start with a USB mic configuration with a device like this, with the Shure MV7. And then later on, when you can afford to get an amazing mixer like the Rodecaster Pro, just as an example, you don't have to get that mixer, but just as an example, you can upgrade your sound in the future, which makes this microphone amazing. It is the little brother to the Shure SM7B. And so it makes it an incredibly clean microphone in terms of the sound. I mean, you guys can hear how clean it sounds right now, right? And I've got it enhanced out the yin yang right now, but it sounds super clean. The signal is an amazingly clean signal for you to work with as a foundational signal. And I recommend it to so many of my clients. And they're all, so far, happy with the microphone purchase. It's just the best all-around creator microphone, in my opinion, for the money. And so just to go over a couple interesting features with the microphone, let me just pull up the screen here so you guys can check it out. But it's got controls on the top of the microphone, as you can see here, where you can mute the microphone with the kind of touch controls on the top of it. And it's also got the ability physically on the mic, which is really cool, to be able to change the mix that you hear in your headphones with this microphone, which is really, really cool. So you can choose how much you hear yourself through the microphone versus how much you hear your gameplay audio, your music, your videos, whatever you're playing on your particular presentation, which is great. And what I wanted to show you on the back of the microphone is it's got a headphone jack. So you can do headphone monitoring through the microphone, which is great. And it's got an XLR jack, like I mentioned, so you can plug it into any mixer, any interface, any system. And it's got that USB connection, so you can plug it into your phone. You can plug it into your iPad. You can plug it into your laptop. You can plug it into freaking anything, making this microphone one of the most diverse and unique microphones on the market. And I've kind of suited mine up with a handful of accessories that I like to go with it. Let me just show them to you here, and let me know if you guys have any questions about it. But I've got a couple accessories that I have to go with this microphone, including the shock mount. This is the official shock mount for this microphone. And basically it makes it so that when I knock on my desk, I'm going to knock on my desk right now, you guys don't hear a boom through the mic, right? The shock mount is taking care of that. And I've also got it mounted to this gator stand, which allows me to extend the microphone out to right in front of my mouth. So as you can see, it's super close to me, and you position the mic super close to yourself, right? This microphone is amazing, especially when you get it in close to your mouth, which is why I like it. Because what it can do is it can eliminate room noise. So not all of you guys out there, I mean, let me know in chat, but not all of you guys out there have acoustically treated spaces, right? Not all of you guys have the acoustic foam like I have on my walls. You maybe have a echoey room. You maybe have dogs barking in the background. You maybe have kids clawing at you, wanting something. I literally live next to an airport, okay? So we all have different living situations and different sound situations that we're in. And one reason why I like the Shure MV7 microphone is this. Check this out. Even if I just turn to the side, you notice how you can't hear the audio barely at all, even if I just turn to the side like that. I'm talking at the exact same volume level, and then when I go forward, it's way louder. You see the sound isolation on this thing? It only picks up the audio right in front of the microphone, which is amazing. I love that about it.